I'm about to show you how you can make hundreds of dollars a day online using ChatGPT. And you don't have to have any skills to do this. Why? Because ChatGPT is going to do most of the work for you. You just have to ask it the right questions and get started. What's up, guys? This is Monique and welcome back to the channel. I am back with the news that you can use, but first, if you are new here, hello, bonjour, hola, aloha, konnichiwa, wagwan, shalom, assalamu alaikum, jambo, namaste. So if you are not familiar with ChatGPT by now, where have you been? This thing has the world going crazy because people have been using it to build businesses in less time. It's making people tons of money. It's simple to use. It's free to use. And I've made money with it and I'm going to show you how to. So the first side hustle or way that you can use this to make money starting today for some people is to write product descriptions for people. You won't believe the amount of people out there that are paying others to write product descriptions for the products that they're selling on their stores, like on Shopify, or the listings that they're putting on Amazon, on their personal website. So they are going to places like Upwork and Fiverr to find the people to do it for them. And look at the prices that they are charging, y'all. They have $45, $70, $100. So if you look at this one, she charges $100 to write a Shopify product description for your e-commerce store. And she has over 3,000 reviews. So let's say that that's about 3,000 product description sales at $100. That means for this alone, she has made about $300,000. And you might be like, well, Monique, she can write a product description, but I don't know how to do that. Well, guess what? That's where ChatGPT is going to come in. ChatGPT will write a clear, concise, persuasive product description to help people to sell their products. So that means they'll keep coming back to you for help, and then you'll go back to ChatGPT to help you. So once you create your free account with ChatGPT, we're going to ask it to write a 200-word product description for a luxury handbag that comes in the colors black, blue, and red. And look, just like that, it started writing, introducing the ultimate in luxury and style. Our handbag is the perfect accessory for the modern woman on the go. I mean, I might buy this handbag myself. And it literally created this in less than 30 seconds. So imagine if those people are creating product descriptions and it takes time, you'll be able to do this quicker, be able to reach more people, and you can actually charge a little less than they do, but that'll attract people and make them come to you instead of others, and y'all, you can make a ton of money. So the second way that you can use ChatGPT to make good money is going to be to create a faceless YouTube channel. And I mentioned this before, but y'all, people are making thousands a month without ever having to be on a screen and just putting voiceovers over some videos. So if you look at this video here, it is just a bunch of different video clips that they combine together, and this person is just doing a voiceover, and it has received 3.4 million views. So how we can do this and try to do it even better is to use ChatGPT to actually create the scripts for the voiceovers that's going to go in these videos. ChatGPT will also write the description for you. It will write a title that has the best keywords that people are searching for to make you rank higher in search results, which is something important that you want to do so that people can actually view your video and then you can make money. So we are going to ask ChatGPT to write a YouTube video script about saying affirmations every day will change your life. And then you can give it different things that you want it to do, like make it more emotional, make it more inspiring, and it'll take that same script and kind of rewrite it and give you whatever you want. And then once the script is done, you can ask it to write a description about this for your YouTube video. And then you can also ask it to write a YouTube title from the script that it created. And look at this. Unlock the power of affirmations. Change your life in 21 days. This is something that can take YouTubers days to create, and you did it all in less than 5 minutes. And I'm about to make this even easier for you and show you how you can take this script and edit it online using InVideo. And InVideo is a one-stop shop for all your editing needs. You can find music in here. You don't have to go anywhere else to get the videos because they have over 8 million assets. So there are going to be several different ways that you can edit this video. I'm going to show you one of them that's quick and easy. You just go right here to editor. You want to make sure you choose landscape, and we're going to come over here to videos. Now we're making something about affirmations, so that's something that you're going to have to get stuff that's inspiring. So we can just come to the search up here and we can type ocean. And then once you find a video you like, you take it, you drag it, and you drop it down here. It'll let you choose what point of this video you want from here, and then you just hit add. And then you'll just go through, find the next clips that you like. This is nice. I'm going to hit add, and then it added that video next. And to make your timeline bigger or smaller, you come over here and you just drag this in, or you decrease it. And if you have a scene that's small like this, you can always just take it to the corner and drag it so that it can fit the screen. So once you add a lot of videos to your timeline for the ones that you want to play in this video, then you'll come over here to voiceover, and you'll hit automated text to speech. And over here is where you're going to go to that script that ChatGPT gave you. Then I'm going to take the first line of that script and I'm going to paste it. And then what I'll hit is generate voiceover. And then they're going to generate it and say it for me. And then I can come here and I can change the voice. I can change the language if I want to, but I'm going to just stick with this, and I'll hit add. And it's going to drop it down here underneath the videos that I've added. And then again, if you want that entire voiceover to match the scene that you have above it, you can just take it and drag it. And then you can drag this one over so that it doesn't start till it's done. And if you don't like that text-to-speech sound, you can always do your own voiceovers by just recording yourself into your phone in your voice memos. Hit upload your VO file, and then you'll hit open. Hit click to add as layer, and then you'll drag it over here. And then to edit it so that you can decrease your mistakes is really quick. Place this little cursor here right before where you start speaking, and then you can hit this scissor button to split it. Then it'll cut that in half. You can click on that front part that you don't want and remove it. And then you'll just go throughout listening to your video, removing your mistakes by hitting split. And then you can also drag it in without having to keep on hitting split over and over. So to save us some time, I went ahead and went through and I cut up and organized the rest of my voiceover. And now what we have to do is add some music to it. So we'll hit the music button. We'll go through, see what we want. Let's try relaxing. Then you just find the sound you like. I'm going to go with Sky Meditation. Click add layer. Then it's going to add it to it. And then just to adjust the volume, because you don't want it too loud, you'll click on that sound, come to volume and fade. And then you can increase it or decrease it here. And y'all, we have a completed video. So all we have to do is come up here to export, and then we'll hit 1080. We want the best quality, and then we'll hit export it, and it'll download. And this is what it's going to look like. We all have moments of self-doubt and negativity. But what if I told you there's a simple tool you can use to change your outlook on life? It's called affirmations. They are a powerful tool because they work by reprogramming your subconscious mind. The more you repeat them, the more they become ingrained in your thoughts. Now, in order to be able to export and download these videos so you can upload it to YouTube and to remove NVIDIA's watermark that's on there, you're going to have the paid subscription. Now, they have a business subscription that is $30 a month. But if you use my coupon that is down below, you can get 25% off, and that'll put you somewhere around $22 a month. So the next way that you can use ChatGPT to make you some money this year is going to be writing blogs and adding affiliate links to it. So basically we will ask ChatGPT something like, write a detailed article on the top 5 cameras for beginner creators. And look at what they come up with. When it comes to cameras for beginner creators, there are many options available on the market. And then they give you a list of 5. They give you the features of them. So basically you have your article ready to go. And anytime you get any kind of scripts or articles or anything pretty much ChatGPT is writing, you want to make sure you are checking it for plagiarism and checking the grammar. You can use free sites. I've used Grammarly to do this. And if you find anything, then of course you can just reword that or rewrite those sentences that you come on. So once you have all of that done, then you want to sign up for an affiliate program like Amazon. And once you're in their program, you can go on their site, search for the 5 cameras that ChatGPT talked about in this article, and then you can link those cameras on Amazon to your article, so when people read it and they click on those cameras and they purchase those cameras, you'll receive a commission for it. And when we come to Amazon, they have this kit here for $669. It's about 4% commission that you'll get for that. So 4% of that will be about $26, but imagine about 1,000 people purchase that camera based off your recommendation in your article. Then that's about $2,600 for something that took you about 5 to 10 minutes to do. So the next thing that you can use ChatGPT for to make hundreds a day is by selling ebooks. Now, I'm not talking about ebooks that requires you to have all of these sources that you need to tag to the book. I'm talking about creating an ebook like a recipe book. And one area that's really hot right now that a lot of people are searching for stuff about is keto recipes. So then we'll come to ChatGPT and ask it to give me 10 keto recipes. And just like that, it is writing out 10 different keto recipes that people can use. You can detail it and say breakfast ideas, lunch ideas, dinner. And it didn't go into detail about it. So the next thing we're going to do is ask it for the creamy garlic shrimp ingredients. And then it's going to list it: shrimp peeled and deveined, butter, garlic, heavy cream. And now for one of the most important parts of this ebook, we need the instructions for cooking it. So we'll ask it the instructions for cooking creamy garlic shrimp. And look at that, y'all. It goes in detail. In a large skillet, melt butter over medium heat. Add minced garlic and saute 1 to 2 minutes. And then you can go back up and ask the same thing for each of these. How to make the keto meatloaf. How to do the cauliflower fried rice. And then you can use something like Canva and you can search for food ebook templates. And here's a template on Canva that I found that you can just customize. And then you can just change that title around. And then it's broken down into chapters, especially if you're doing like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can add lunch here. And then when we scroll down, right here is the ingredients. We can change the title of that to the creamy garlic shrimp. And then we can copy and paste the ingredients that ChatGPT gave us into this. Change these photos around. Of course, you're talking about shrimp, so you want some kind of shrimp on there. And then you'll just come over here to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and you can hit create, and then you'll upload a Kindle ebook. And as fast as you were able to come up with that, again, you'll be able to make a ton of these and make a good amount of money. So I know I kind of breezed through these quickly. So if you want a more detailed video on any of these topics, on all of them, let me know down in the comments and I'll be sure to bring it to you. And also, if you have not liked this video, please like it for me. It really helps me out. Other than that, I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, we are out. Peace.